Here's one for the Cadillac fans. What a cool car, 1968 Cadillac Eldorado. This particular car, sterling silver, I should say regal silver, regal silver, which would be 16 paint code. Black vinyl top, black interior. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, and I wanted to show you, that's why I left them like this. Headlight doors do work. Take just a little bit of encouragement when it is running, going up and down, FYI. And that's why that one's down just a tad. 67 and 68, the only years of the concealed headlights behind the doors, and they were vacuum operated. 472 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold in this one, and that 472 is paired up with a 3-speed automatic transmission. This car has had a repaint along the way. Still in the original color, though, of that regal silver. It is also an Arizona car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, undersides, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. I believe Bill Mitchell was the designer of the 67 Eldorado when this body style came into effect. 8th generation car. Bench seat. That is a power seat. And again, power windows, power locks. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at how straight that car is, too. You can see long body panels. Love these taillights. Look at that design of the taillights. Believed to be original miles. I believe it was 70,000 on it, and judging by the condition of the trunk, the underside, the interior appears to be original. Check that out here just shortly too. And again, you can check out the rest of this car in the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. 375 horsepower this car had back in 1968. Of course, the front wheel drive platform, and it would be the E-body that the Riviera from Buick and Toronado from Oldsmobile shared. All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the interior. This again appears to be original interior, cloth vinyl blend, black in color, which would have been the correct color of this. It does come off a little bit more gray in the pictures, but I would call it a black and a very dark charcoal, I guess, if you will. If I get back away from it, that kind of gives you a little better idea right there. Color of the interior, sometimes it wants to wash out when I'm right up over the top of it. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, see, it starts easily. All right, check out, there it is, 70,994. Again, believed to be original miles, judging by interior, dash, undersides, engine bay. Very believable. Unfortunately, I cannot confirm or deny. I don't have paperwork following it, and once the miles get, or the age of the vehicle gets to be so old, the miles are not recorded on the title. All right, get it down off the high idle. Again, automatic climate control, AC does blow cold. I did have the radio powers up, it's AM. I haven't really got much for reception in the building that I'm in. And then wipers do work. It's a very nice interior. All right, slip around to the back of this. You hear it run. Slip up and show you this headlight door. Like I said, they do work once it's running. Sometimes it takes just a little bit of encouragement, help it along. It did close up as we started it up. We're also going to pop this hood, take a look at the engine bay. I'm going to put the lights on too to show you as far as the doors go. Let me pop this hood and we'll check out the engine bay.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And there's the headlight doors open, FYI. Once you click them on, it just takes a little bit. You might have to push it just that last quarter inch, half inch or so. So like I said, do work, just a slight bit of help. There's that 472, 7.7 liter V8, power steering, power brakes, AC. Remember, AC does blow cold in this one, and it has also been converted. As you can tell by that fitting right there, so AC has been converted over. There'll be a picture of the data tag that you can see in the still pictures. And again, you see how clean, nice and tidy that is. Kind of coincides with what's believed to be original miles. There you go, 1968 Cadillac Eldorado. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.